Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razul and I post videos on cocktail recipes and alcohol content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do easy aperitif cocktails that you can do before you have your meal, an appetizer before you have a meal. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Negroni. A Negroni is a cocktail based with three simple ingredients, that's sweet vermouth, gin and a Campari. So something about a Negroni is when you're looking for a classic cocktail to enjoy before a meal, a few are very satisfying, which is one of those is a Negroni. It's a sophisticated aperitif featuring equal parts of gin, Campari and a sweet vermouth that anyone can mix. Campari can acquire taste that some people will love while others will not, and let me tell you, I'm one of those who does not love this Campari spirit. But in this cocktail, the sweet vermouth and the herbal gin offsets the Italian spirit bitters, so it's more palatable. This also makes a Negroni drink to use when training your taste buds to enjoy a bitter aperitif. So guys, it's an amazing cocktail. So why not, let's try. Again, take your raw glass, fill it with ice. I think this is one cocktail where you can train to test your buds to a palate where you like something bitter. So let's go with about 30 ml of your Campari. You can do 30 or more according to your preferred preference. 30 of your gin and 30 of your sweet vermouth, that's a Martini Rosso. Go guys. So that's your Negroni. This cocktail can be either stirred or shaken as long as it's the same. So to complete a drink, I'll use orange peel. I'll just give it a little twist over it. And put it over the glass. And there you go, guys. Cheers. That's your Negroni. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.